Okay guys, the market is continuing to get flooded with these excavators. There's another 20 of these in auction next week, 10 days from now. And the price is going to be $3,500, $4 grand, $4,250, somewhere in there. Look at these CF Industrials right here. These cab units are actually made by Sunward. CF Industrial bought a couple hundred of them from Sunward. If you look at them, they're identical to a 35 Sunward. They got main parts, known parts here. There's a Yanmar engine, as you see here. These are good machines, and they sell cheap. These things bring like 16, 17, 18 grand. And they are name brand machinery rebranded. These things have control pattern changers. They are nice machines, auxiliary hydraulics and thumbs.